Okay, started recording.
Recording हो रहा है?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special video because I am here with two of my very best friends.
Hi, my name is Aisha.
And
my name is Rashi.
And Raisha. So Rashi here is a little nervous, so we're gonna give her some break. But Aisha seems to know her game really well.
Yes, I
She's
do.
really confident. I haven't told them what we're gonna do yet. I've told them half of what I'm gonna do. So Rashi here is gonna do my makeup, and she is actually the first person who did my makeup years ago for my farewell in 2012. And I hated it, and I washed it off. But then she did it again. She did a very dark smoky eye, and I freaked out. Then she did a very pretty look, and I believe Aisha is an expert in makeup. Are you?
No way. I am not at all an expert. I am a big time novice. My makeup definition is a 5-minute thing. I will apply my liner, I will apply some SPF and a lipstick, and I'm done.
But the good news is Rashi here is doing my makeup and Aisha is her assistant today.
Yes.
And the fun thing that we're going to add in here is I'm going to ask them a few questions, and they have absolutely no idea of what I'm going to ask them. So we'll see how that goes.
Yes.
But I think we should get going, right Rashi?
Yes.
Are you
Let's
ready?
start.
Alright,
I'll switch places. So that... Mommy.
Is this good?
मेरे को देखना.
इस साइड आई. मैं तो आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम स्क्रीन में देख रही थी ऐसे.
Okay, so we're going to start off with our makeup. So Rashi,
The video is on already.
Yes.
What?
It's recording.
Oh shit.
So you should cut all these things.
Yeah, obviously.
Maybe. So Rashi is gonna start off with my makeup, and Aisha is gonna be her assistant. While you do my makeup, you have to answer.
I can't multitask.
No, you have to. The first question is, how and when did you meet me?
I met you.
No, look over there.
Okay.
And you have to do my makeup.
During Disa.
Yeah, that was our school reunion.
Yes. Where you were practicing.
Do you remember when? Like the year?
5 years back, I believe. 5,
No,
6
more
years.
than that. 2000.
When did I pass out from college? From school, because I met you
2007.
like when it
You
was
passed
my
out.
first reunion.
So 2008 or 9.
Yes. Oh my God.
Been friends for so long.
Yeah, now when it comes to so
You
long. So I must have met you during one of our annual functions.
Yes,
wherein
I exactly remember when I saw Aisha for the first time. So to give you guys context, we used to have an annual function every year in school, and that's when I saw Aisha when she was practicing for one of her performances. I know when we met. This was like third standard.
Third standard.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
third standard,
2000 no 1998 7 or 8
8.
1998
Yeah.
September. August,
September, yeah. Because
So
that
we've
was the
been
time.
friends for almost 20 years. 2 decades.
2 decades. Oh.
So what are you doing
First,
first?
please give me the moisturizer.
And Aisha is being a very bad assistant.
Sorry. So yeah. So we'll be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer.
It's been a very long time since someone did my makeup for me.
I think I was the first one.
Yes.
And the last
And
one.
very few people have actually done my makeup.
No, I did your makeup when you shot for some movie.
Yes.
I did your makeup.
Yeah, you
we
made
don't,
your
we don't
short
mention that.
You're a very good actor.
Sure.
We've seen you.
Sure I am. So Aisha, you want to answer another question in the meanwhile?
I don't mind. Yes.
What's your favorite memory together?
Together?
Yes.
Oh goodness, that's like.
Are you even in the frame?
I do not know the favorite memory as such, but then I remember this place same time last year. Rashi, you're blocking me. I have a plethora of
Step
memories.
2?
No wait, one moment. My craziest memory, I would say, is a very recent one from the last year. We went clubbing to a place called Two Tram Trunk, and on our way back, I have handled my friend.
She has handled us.
Oh, I didn't handle it.
No. She has handled both of us.
Yeah, like forever. Yeah, so I have have had one of the craziest times with these chicks last year this time, and it was my favorite part of the whole 20 years of the time that you've spent.
One of the favorite.
One of the favorite, of course.
Okay, Aisha is taking lessons.
Give me primer.
Aisha, what is your ideal makeup?
The max that I have done was on my wedding.
Yeah.
So that's the only part that
But that's not what you had to do.
Yeah, exactly. Like I said, I take 5 minutes.
Even I take 5 minutes when I do it for me.
Even I take 5 minutes
Yeah,
to
I'm
prep
sure.
my face.
Exactly.
But come on, I don't do a full face of makeup every day.
Yeah.
So when I'm going to work, I'm one of those people who prefers to sleep in than get ready and look presentable. Rashi, you want to answer another question?
No.
Why
No.
not? So you are not even telling them what you're using.
Yeah.
What are you using?
What is this?
Some free product I'm using.
No, it's not a free product. It's Benefit Pore Freshener. It's not free. It's very expensive. That's why I have a sample size and not a full size.
I don't mind reading it though.
I have another question before that. Wait.
Like my absolute most.
What is something that annoys you about me?
Your anger.
I don't get angry as much now. What?
Yes,
Do
your
I?
anger.
No, you don't.
I don't. Rashi doesn't know me. She knows me only for 5-6 years. So. Okay, Aisha, what is the thing that annoys you?
No, I am never annoyed at you. Never. So you've never annoyed me, but it has been vice versa. Though asterisk.
Because when people do such things.
Yeah, I know.
It's his penalty.
Yeah.
Yeah,
me
so
my
there is
third
nothing
product.
that I have ever been annoyed at Shraddha for anything. The next thing that Rashi's asked me to give it to her, this is the Lakme Absolute Mousse.
I have never used this product before, so
The best
and this is
product.
not mine, and this is Rashi's. So
Rashi's, yeah.
if this goes wrong, we know who to blame. Okay, next question.
So we'll just add a
This is
little
such
bit
an
of water.
Okay. So she's using MAC Fix Plus to I don't know. Have you ever taken a trip together?
Like we?
Yeah.
Of course. And it was, I think, one of the most memorable trips ever. So I am sure people
You're
who are
not in the
watching.
frame.
I'm sure people who are watching this, and
I don't think people watch my videos. The people that you're talking about.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. They're hard luck, I would say. They are.
Oh, by the way, this is the first time there's been someone else, like other than me, on my channel.
I have never been on YouTube, so
Yes.
it's like it's my first, it's my debut. It's her debut as well.
Rashi is totally ignoring, like royally ignoring this.
Yes, so I would want to mention this
Yeah.
2016.
Oh, yeah.
16.
Yeah.
Singapore. January. One of the best trips with this woman, and one of our memorable ones. I don't think that we are going to ever have that kind of experience in our lives.
And we don't want.
We don't want to. We don't want to.
I wish I was a part of
We don't
it.
want- So this lady was to be a part of the trip, but she canned last minute.
Office stomach.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she
yeah.
booked tickets and
Yeah, she booked tickets.
Yeah.
I got a whole refund as well.
Yeah. What is this you're putting?
Mousse.
Or the same thing? Oh, you want to tell them where we are? Because I shoot all my videos like 6,000 miles away.
Oh yes, so we are in a beautiful beach resort. It's in Mumbai, although it doesn't feel like one. And we are like almost just 20 minutes away from our homes, but yet we feel that this is like a completely offbeat location. This is an amazing place, and every year we come here. Every year without fail. It is like our ritual now. Now what is this, Rashi? You've got to say.
Just a lip balm.
Is Rashi blocking the whole? Yeah, you are blocking the whole screen.
No, it's okay.
Like my face. What is something weird that your friend likes? Tell me.
Okay, this is really tricky. I don't think there's any weird thing that you like.
Guys are so boring.
Perfect.
And by the way, I'm not looking at whatever Rashi is doing. Like I'm not looking at myself in the screen, so there'll be like a big.
I like it very
big-
simple. This thing.
Yes.
There'll be like a big reveal in the end. Ooh, what's your friend's worst habit?
We'll be using the Maybelline
Can you just put the
gel eyeliner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would prefer liquid.
What
but
was
we
the
don't have
question?
one.
What was the question?
What's your friend's worst habit?
I think you're like too planned.
Acha.
And sometimes you have to just be.
Can you just put the liner by yourself?
I don't mind assisting you again.
No, I'm fine. Huh?
Wanted a liquid one.
Yeah, I don't have a liquid one. Rashi, you want to answer this?
What?
What's the question?
About
My worst habit.
Worst habit? She's perfect.
That's my worst habit.
She wants everything, yes. Everything should be planned in time. And
yes. Like we need to book her calendar, you know.
Yeah,
okay, next Wednesday? No. Next Friday? Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
And on the contrary, what we are now? Okay, now.
Aisha is someone who thinks on her feet and she'll do whatever she wants right then and there. And I am exactly opposite.
Where is this?
I cannot be so like spontaneous. I can't. It gives me anxiety. I can't do that.
Yeah. And because of which people get anxiety who all are with me. So these people deal with anxiety issues with me.
Yeah. Like all the drama and anxiety I try to push out of my life, she gets it.
Brings it in. Now Rashi needs a
mascara.
Voluminous Superstar mascara.
That's my favorite mascara.
Wow.
I use it
looks
all
amazing.
the time.
Open your eyes.
Okay, now dude, you do it so well.
Just do it towards them. 1 minute.
No, both of you. I mean,
so the secret behind a proper mascara when you put it for yourself is you have to tilt it.
Masterclass by Rashi.
yes.
Just warm it up a bit.
Okay.
Collect the mascara that's inside and just tilt it.
Okay,
That's not gonna break my brush.
No. That's how you actually use your mascara when you use it for yourself.
Okay, what is your friend terrible at? There was a question what I'm good at, but I don't want to hear good things about me. I want to hear bad things.
Oh my god, this is such a tough question. Like we've danced together. You dance so well. Like you're so planned. You
I'm
are
what? Planned.
You're
Okay, I heard bland.
No. Yeah, terrible at. And she's an amazing friend. Like I don't know what to. I can't badmouth you. Sorry. What do you need?
Okay, so I need sugar lipstick.
Okay, what is a unique thing about me that a very few people know?
No, it's
Okay, Rashi is showing off her sugar
favorite lipstick.
Yeah,
sugar smudge me not liquid lipstick. Rashi, you want to answer this? Rashi is not
right
playing
now.
this game
Rashi, you've
at
got
all.
to answer something.
I can do it off camera.
Do what off camera?
Do people know that you're an amazing Bharatanatyam dancer?
No.
I'm sure people must have not even seen you dance Bharatanatyam. But I have seen you do. And you are very good at it. No, I'm sure that you don't practice it anymore. But you are an amazing dancer.
Now that I think about it, it's been exactly half of my life ago that I used to do Bharatanatyam. I left it at 14, now I'm 28.
I pursued it till again I was 14, 15.
No,
Same.
don't do that.
Yeah.
Just 1 minute, just zip it up.
I think in all our 10th standard board exams, we all left it, I think. Yeah. Oh, right.
Rashi, you want to answer this?
Let me concentrate.
No.
No.
Now you can do
now you
anything
can take a
till you answer.
Actually, what do you want me to answer?
Yeah.
She has a soft corner. She looks very
Tough.
looks like an angry young woman or a tough woman, but deep
She
down, she isn't.
I
You
think
need to know her.
I think that's one of the misconceptions about me. I'm done?
Yeah.
Okay.
How is it looking?
I love it.
She loves
Because I love it simple and nice. So this is very, very simple, very, very
She doesn't
elegant.
like the 100 layers that I do.
No, it's because I can't do it. Ever.
What are your final thoughts you want to share?
I feel very, very, very privileged, I would say, that I am
To be with me and
with me.
No, and to be on the YouTube for my childhood sweetheart, and to be on her channel as my debut, and in this beautiful place that is ours.
Yes.
So it's our same room.
Yeah,
It's our
coincidentally we ended up in the same room.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where we were in last year.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And Rashi, madam?
love you. That's it.
She's so easy.
I loved doing your makeup, and I'm gonna take all these products with me.
Yeah, Rashi is another like makeup lover like me. So she loves all of this, and Aisha has zero clue about what these things are. But I'm sure she learned a lot today.
Yes, I did. At least I learned the
basics.
I learned the chronology of what to apply afterward.
Maybe in the next video she will do my makeup.
Oh
and you'll be
goodness!
the assistant.
Oh goodness!
We'll see.
Let's
she'll be like, ये लगा दे, अभी ये लगा दे.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video with two of my amazing friends right here. Thank you so much for doing my makeup.
Look there.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much for doing my makeup. And thank you so much for assisting. How was she as an assistant?
Amazing.
Thank you. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.